Hello, my name is Mrs. Chalmers. Welcome to our numeracy strategy of the day. Here in Inverclyde, we use various strategies to help us calculate addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We use these strategies from primary 3 to primary 7 and beyond. Being able to add, subtract, multiply and divide in different ways is a really useful skill to have in life. Today we will focus on the process of division, and the strategy we will use is partitioning. Our learning intention for today is to use pictorial representations and abstract thinking to solve division tasks. Abstract thinking is just number sense. It's about knowing how numbers are made, how they come apart, and how they can be put back together again. Our success criteria is to show, draw and describe how to solve a division problem using the halving strategy, and then to apply this strategy to similar problems. Have you got your pencil and paper ready? If you need to pause the video, you can do that just now. Come back again when you're organised. We have used partitioning before when we thought about addition, subtraction and multiplication, so now we are going to use this strategy for division. Remember, to partition a number means to split the number apart into its place values, hundreds, tens and ones. How would you solve this problem? 96 divided by 3. Pause the video for a few minutes. Use your pencil and paper and jot down how you would solve this problem. Remember to come back and we will share our results. I hope you've been practicing your partitioning of numbers. I know that 96 is made from 90 and 6. And I know that 90 divided by 3 is 30. I know that 6 divided by 3 is 2. 30 and 2 is 32, so 96 divided by 3 gave me 32. Is that how you worked it out? Maybe you used a number line, or maybe you might need to use some concrete materials to help you if this is too difficult. Let's have another go. 279 divided by 9. Remember to pause the video, have a go at this problem by yourself and come back and we'll share how we got our answers. 279 can be partitioned into 270 and 9 or 270 and 9. I know that 270 divided by 9 is 30, and I know this because I remember that 27 divided by 9 is 3. 9 divided by 9 is 1, so 279 divided by 9 is 31. Do you notice that I didn't divide 200 by 9, 70 by 9, and then the 9 by 9? It would have been too tricky to solve the problem that way. Here's a trickier example if you think you can do it. 3,264 divided by 8. Have a think about how you might partition this number. Think about your known facts. Would you divide it or partition it into 3,000 plus 200 plus 60 plus 4? Pause the video and have a think if that is the best way, or if you can come up with a better way to partition this number so that it can be easily divided by 8. Here's how I did it. 3,264 can be partitioned into 3,200 and 64. I'm doing it this way because I know that 3,200 can be divided by 8. And I know this because 32 can be divided by 8. 3,200 divided by 8 is 400, because 32 divided by 8 is 4. And I know that 64 divided by 8 is 8. I sometimes call that my chessboard sum. Using a what do we know list or a VIP, a very important product list, like we did when we were solving multiplication problems, can help us think about how to partition numbers. But you might have come up with another way to have solved this problem. Did you get the same answer though, of 408? It's now your turn to try out some division problems using the partitioning strategy. You can start at the first column, but if you find them too easy, move on to the next column, and so on. If you're still finding it too hard, you might need to use some materials to help. Maybe using different size Lego blocks for the hundreds, tens, and ones. Good luck! Make sure you've got your pencil and paper ready. If you need to pause the video, you can do that now. Here is a task which will help you with your division. It helps you see the connection between multiplication and division. Today you're going to design some multiplication division triangles. If you have a look at my triangles, you can see I have a question mark in one of the corners. The bottom two numbers need to be multiplied together to give you the answer at the top of the triangle. However, here is a link to an online math site. In this site, you'll be able to have a go at lots of different games to help you with division. You might have a favourite game. You can share this with your friends, or perhaps ask some of them if they have a favourite and you can try that one out too. I'm sure you'll have lots of fun in experimenting.